Kalbi short ribs.
Boneless short ribs.
Start us off.
Soy sauce, brown sugar and white sugar, garlic, ginger,
Sesame oil?
black pepper.
What creates the liquidy effect? We don't have a lot of liquid in there, chef.
Oh, he put the wrong soy in. There's a bigger soy there.
Okay.
Now, the Kalbi ribs, traditionally a Korean short rib. How long will you marinate it typically at the restaurant?
It's vacuum sealed so it can suck all the marinade into the meat overnight.
This is one portion for like one human?
Yes.
All right, while he's doing that, I'm gonna make the Aeia dressing. So I got the soy sauce in here.
Okay.
Garlic,
Sugar.
rice wine vinegar, regular vinegar, sesame oil,
Yep. Minced onion.
a little salt,
Ginger.
hoisin sauce,
Yes.
and a little chili flake.
Did you find the honey?
And I do see the honey, darling.
And usually we mix it with a blender.
All right, emulsify the oil into that dressing.
You can add the oil. Then, Guy, you're gonna take that mix that you just made and fold that into the mayonnaise that I have there. Yeah, brother.
The Kalbi ribs are in the marinade.
We put it on a charcoal grill, fire it up.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. I mean, they're short ribs this big, you guys. I mean, they're monsters. So this is the Aeia dressing for the salad.
Did you steam off some rice?
Yes, we did, chef.
Put the cabbage on it, salad.
Oh, man. Look at that.
Oh, man, is exactly right.
Kalbi's gonna go right onto the cabbage.
Take a look at that dish, huh? Tell me that doesn't look fantastic.
That has a lot of flavor.
I can't get it in my mouth fast enough. The balance of the ingredients, the freshness of the ingredients, cooked over the charcoal makes all the difference. Almost candying the marinade on it. Little ginger, sesame oil is critical to it. Some greens to kind of refresh the palate. It's out of bounds.